I'm Malelo Ilukena, the Technical Program Manager in charge of health programming with World Vision Zambia. Our strategic objective under World Vision for health is to improve the health of vulnerable children, families and communities on issues of health. And we had set ourselves to reach out to 75,000 pregnant women, lactating mothers, and also 122,000 children. So we are also looking, apart from the pregnant women and children accessing good health, we are also looking at improving the health behavior with the communities and families. So being our main target population, we have managed with that target that we gave ourselves to go beyond the actual target. We have actually reached about 106% of pregnant women with the population of 84,000, slightly over 84,000. Remember, our target was 79,000. We have managed to reach 84,000 women, and also over 122 of the children have accessed health programming. And what has helped us access this health? It's because we are working together with government, supplementing government efforts, and working with the communities, because we believe that we need to increase or strengthen the community systems. And how have we done this? We have trained community volunteers, the neighborhood health committees, the SMAGs, to work and visit these households and give information to pregnant women, enroll pregnant women, so that they are able to deliver at the health facility by a skilled personnel. As you are aware, that the mortality rate for pregnant women and indeed children, even if there are so many interventions that have been put in place, these continue to rise. So indeed, as World Vision, we feel that our part to ensure that these institutional deliveries are increased is very, very critical. We have also seen the proportion of mothers that have children from 0 to 23 months receive at least 2 postnatal visits, because usually when mothers deliver, they go home, they forget about getting back to the health facility. But in the areas where World Vision is implementing, we have seen an increase of lactating mothers taking their children for under 5. We have also seen improvement in the nutrition levels of these children through the models that we are using as World Vision, that is Positive Deviant Health. This is the model that works on improving the nutrition of children. So we have managed to rehabilitate children that were found to have malnutrition. Now, because these interventions are working and we have coordinated very well with government, government is interested in these models. So as a result, in our next strategy, we are continuing to target the pregnant and lactating women and also children under 5. The good news is that we have added adolescents to our programming, because we have realized that adolescents are vulnerable and they are always left behind. And because of that, we intend to capture the adolescents in issue of sexual and reproductive health, and also so many things that affect them, including HIV and AIDS. So really, for us as a health technical team, our aim is to increase access of good health and ensure that children are protected from disease and infection. And apart from that, we have also built the capacity of the health personnel to be able to supervise the community volunteers even as they implement in the communities. As much as we are improving the health system strengthening, we are also improving the community systems.